Hey guys, it's Scandinavian Bob here. I wanted to make a little special video this time, and I do realize that I will probably get some thumbs down for this because some people think that poetry or text are just, well, corny. But that's okay, we are all entitled to our opinions. The fact is that text can be extremely empowering and uplifting, and there are even research on this, showing how strong text can instantly lower fear, anxiety, depression, and skyrocket confidence and motivation. And this is true for all people. It does not matter if you are religious or not. Now, I'm not religious myself, but strong text still helps me. So today I wanted to share a few texts that has been very helpful for me back when I was suffering from anxiety. Now, do not underestimate this because it can really put a crack in the anxiety loop. The first one is an old text written by Ernest Henley, and it's called Invictus. A few years back, I used to repeat this text in my head over and over when going into a specific situation that often gave me a panic attack. And it really helped. Okay, so here goes. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody, but I am bowed. Beyond this place of rotten tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me, unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.